I don't like the rain. So, I mean, look at this. Look at this. Right here. I got all these couches that are, none of them are stacked up. They're all just laying down. So I got probably about 30 minutes. I need to rearrange this. I got some moving blankets with me here. So my plan is to basically stack these up to where I have room for the 3 other couches that I'm getting today. Sold one couch today. This one I bought for $300 or $350. Sold it for $1,000. The couches that I'm getting today, I should make about $500-600 on each couch, bagging about $1,500 worth of profit in couches between 3 couches today, but I got to make some room. So here we go. What's up, guys? It's a Saturday morning. It is rainy. I am heading to the storage unit now to reorganize the sofas in my new storage unit. I have 3 couches that I'm buying today. I told you guys before, I'm on like an absolute buying frenzy right now that I've got a second storage unit. I'm really trying to vamp up the business. But it sucks that it's raining. I got to be really careful about how I, maneuver couches around and everything like that. Ordered a bunch of moving blankets, like 20 of them on Amazon. They were like $650 each for the large moving blankets, which was a great deal. But they don't come until next week. Hopefully there's enough blankets in there to where I can maneuver some couches around and everything. And I don't know, we'll see. I don't know if I could have been more efficient with that or not, but there's a lot of space cleared out here. Just by stacking 2 couches, a lot easier now. What I wanted to do was stack the couches that I already have photos of. That way I don't have to pull them back out just to take photos. This one is 6 individual pieces. I haven't even taken pictures of that yet. It's ready for pictures, but obviously the weather is not ready for pictures. Honestly, I hate modular pieces. They're so freaking hard to maneuver. They're hard to store, but they sell really well, so just gotta deal with it. The seller didn't tell me about that. Well, luckily it's reversible. And this side's not bad. Just gotta disclose it. There we go. See, you stack 3 couches and look at all the room that I got. Now I can get more couches. Much better. All right, so the West Elm couch that I just bought, there's a little bit of, there's quite a bit of stains actually, and there's some sun damage. 2 things I specifically asked the seller about, and she said no. So I'm gonna take a picture of both of those things and then send it to her and see if she's willing to give a partial credit. We'll see. Unfortunately, I didn't get the credit from the seller on this one, but I did get it all cleaned up and I sold it for a $500 profit.